welcome back to my channel. If you are a new member, welcome to the group, welcome to the family. If you're already a member, I'm glad that you're here with me once again. If you are new, please remember to subscribe to this channel. Please remember to share. Please remember to subscribe and like and comment and all these things. Welcome and be a part of the family. I love you guys. In my last video, I taught you guys phrasal verbs get, but in today's video I'm gonna teach you guys phrasal verb take. So the previous one was get and this one is take. Let's get into it. Today guys, I'll be teaching you 10 phrasal verb with the word take. So 10 phrasal verb with the word take. Let's get into it. What is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is a combination of 2 or 3 words from different grammatical categories. These include a verb, a particle, such as an adverb or a preposition, to form one grammatical unit. Example, take off, take up. So the first example of phrasal verb with take is number 1, take apart. Take apart means to separate or disassemble something. Example, John take apart the pieces before putting the toys away. Another example would be, I needed to take apart my computer. So if you want to fix your computer, you would need to take it apart. Okay? Yes. The other example, which is example number 2 for phrasal verb with take, is take back. Take back means to agree to receive back or to be returned. So if you give somebody something or if you give someone something and you're going to take it back, that's how you would use it. That's an example. If you give me a sweetie and you want it back, you're going to say, can I have back my sweetie, or can you give me back my sweetie? That's a way to use take back. Also, I forgot to take back my bicycle. Okay? Another sentence with take back would be, we will take back the goods only if you produce the receipt. Okay? Yes. We can use take back in another way. Take back also means to retract or withdraw something that we said. So if you have a friend or you have a family or even your husband or wife and you say something bad to them because you were upset and you want to take back your words, your unkind words, that's a way to use take back. So example, I take back what I said about you yesterday. Okay? If you hurt someone and you refuse to take it back, you can use a sentence, Malik still refused to take back his hurtful words. Example number 3, take in. Take in means to allow someone or something to stay in your home. Example, my neighbor always taking in stray cats and dogs. So if you know someone who love animals and they're always taking in the stray animals, that's a way of saying my neighbor always taking in stray animals. In sentence number 2, several families take in foreign students, like on exchange programs, yes. There's also a complete different way to use take in. Take in also means realize what is happening and understand what one sees, hears, or read. Example, I was wondering if you might want to take in a movie with me this evening. Taking in a movie means if you want to go and watch a movie with me. So if somebody asks you to watch a movie, it's the same thing. The next phrasal verb we take is example number 4, take off. Take off means to remove something or to leave the ground. Example, the plane will take off in 20 minutes. So that's leaving the ground, going up in the sky, take off. So that's the first way to use take off. The second sentence with take off that shirt, you're dripping wet. So if you got wet because of the rain, you could use take off. to tell the person to take off the wet clothes. Okay? Now on to example number 5. Take out. Take out means to remove or cause to disappear or to obtain a service or document. So the first example is you can use petrol to take out that stain. So if you have a clothes and it got stained, you know you can use all different type of liquids to take it out. So that's one way to use take out. You can use petrol to take out that stain of your shirt. Another way to use take out would be take out accident insurance before you go on a trip. So if you're traveling, if you're going to drive on a far distance, take out accident insurance before you go on your trip, just to be safe, okay? The other phrasal verb we take, and an example would be example number 6, take up. Take up means to adopt as a hobby, also to make something shorter. Example, why don't you take up a new hobby? So if you want to sing, if you want to dance, if you want to play golf, if you want to play basketball, why don't you take up a new hobby? Also, the skirt is too long for you. It will need to be taken up. So if your skirt is too long, you can say it needs to be taken up. Example number 7, take to. Take to means to like somebody or something. Also to make a new habit of something. Example, I didn't take to her husband at all. So you introduce your husband to someone, but they didn't take to them, meaning they didn't like your husband at all. So that's another way to say that they didn't like your husband, by saying they didn't take to your husband at all. Okay? Another sentence we take to, how long will it take to acquire the necessary skills? So if you want to do sewing, how long will it take to acquire your sewing skills? The next phrasal verb we take is example number 8, take care of. Take care of means to look after something or someone. An example is Bill has to take care of his sick mother. So that's how you use take care of. Somebody's sick and you have to take care of them. So that's a way to use it. Another way is if you can sort out the drink for the party, I will take care of the food. So if you're planning a party with someone, you can say you can share the work and you will take care of the food and they can take care of the drinks. Okay? Example number 9, take away. Take away mean to cause something to disappear or to buy food and carry it elsewhere to eat. Example, I will give you some tablets to take away the pain. So if you're having an headache and you go to the doctor, or you even tell your parents and they say, I will give you some medication, some pills to take away the pain, okay? Another way would be, I would like a cheeseburger to take away, please. So if you go to a restaurant to order something but you're not eating it there, okay, you will let the cashier or the waiter know that you will take the food away. You will order it, but you will take it away to eat elsewhere, okay? And your final phrasal verb we take is example number 10, take after. Take after means to resemble in character or appearance. Example, do you take after your mother or father? So if you share the same characteristic or the same features like your mom or your father, people would say, do you take it after your mom or your father? Another example would be, my brother takes after my father appearance. On the other hand, I take after my mother. So both you and your siblings take different things from your parents. One look like your father, one look like your mother. Okay, lovelies, that concludes the end of my topic for today. I hope to see you guys in the next lesson. Please remember that you are a part of my family. Remember to share, subscribe, like. Love you.